Today my topic is a solid waste management, on the solid waste management, and my keyword is the global challenge for the solid waste and solid waste treatment, resource management, root case, and total solid waste generation managements. Here are the method of the solid waste disposal and management. One is the solid waste opening, burning, sea dumping process, solid waste landfilling, incineration method, composting method, biomining method, and solid waste biogas generation, solid waste pelletization process. These are the process of the process and treatment of the solid waste in our industries. There are the typically type of the solid waste. One is the municipal solid waste. Another is hazardous waste. In the hazardous waste, there are the many solid waste like the industrial waste, chemical waste, nuclear waste. These are all the coming in the hazardous waste. And the industrial waste, there are again some metal parts, chemicals, sludge. All these are the industrial waste. Agriculture waste and biomedical waste, one of the type of the medical waste. There are the 5 R's of the waste management. One is the refuse. Don't purchase anything if you don't want, and avoid the generation of the solid waste. Another is the reduce your solid generation. Reduce your, if you don't want, you can stop the generating the solid waste. Try to maximum reuse of the your product and your industrial product and your domestic product also. Another one is the recycling, and last is the reprocessing. In the reprocessing, there are the solid waste treatment various process, and in the recycling, try to recycle your existing waste and save the environmental. These are the challenges, opportunity associated with wastewater management in the India. These red color are the metric tons per day generation. The Maharashtra is the top, and another Uttar Pradesh also generating the solid waste in the higher side, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. And these green are they are generating the less compared to other states. Here the top municipal solid waste generated annually. Of course, we are also here in the India is a top solid waste generator in the world. Second is the US, and third one is China and Brazil and Indonesia. These are the top 5 municipalities to generate the solid waste annually. Waste to energy, there are the couple of methods to generate from solid waste to energy. One is the biological, in the biological method is the composting, and another is the anaerobic treatment. In the thermal treatment, again, that is the incineration process, and they recover the energy from the incineration, landfilling, and the material recycling. We will discuss today in the one of the treatment process, that is the anaerobic solid waste treatment process. These are the very conventional type process. In this process, we need a pre-treatment for the before the feed the anaerobic digester, that is the temperature maintain, and the particle size reduction, that is a pre-treatment is required for this process. And product of this process is the biogas, which can use in the heat purpose, in the cooking, again heat purpose in our industry, in boiler we can run the boiler on with using this biogas. And that is the electricity power generation again, and fuel we can compress this biogas and convert into complex CBG, and we can feed in our vehicles as a CNG. There are the many CBG pumping station around in Maharashtra area with using the sugar industry solid waste, and they are converting to biogas and filling this pumping station. Another product is the fertilizer and liquid and solid fertilizer. That is the best fertilizer in the we can use in our farm. Production of the methane and electricity with the biogas. Approximately 10 TPT organic food waste and or municipal waste, we can generate the 595 meter cube per day biogas. Out of this biogas, 359 meter cube per day is the methane, and the electricity we can produce from this methane is the 40 kilowatt hour. These are the typical installation which I have done in my past company. Biogas store. Methane is the 80 times is warmer power of the. Sorry. Yeah. Methane gas is the 80 times warmer power of the carbon dioxide or the first century, and it is the very dangerous if you open to atmosphere this methane gas. What are the benefits of the solid waste treatments and the management? If we treat this solid, the environmental, we can save our environmental, control the greenhouse gases using the alternative energy source like biogas, incineration, and other solid treatment. And solid treatment generate electricity from solid waste to energy. There are the another benefits of the this solid waste treatment plant. That is the carbon trading. The end user can claim the carbon trading, and he can do the carbon trading. He has a he can sell his carbon point to another industry. Those are generating the pollutions. That is one of the good benefit, and they can reduce their solid waste transport cost. They can execute there and install the plant at this source. And nowadays, government also are providing the 40% subsidy, which is based upon the generation of the electricity, power, and heat. These are the benefit of the solid waste treatments. Yeah, this is the my presentation.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Yogesh Khadke, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You may please stop sharing your screen.